apart from the walls. Have to wall away from the gas container because this might block out. You have to wall away from the gas. You should gas around for security place. You should break out of the place with can.
You should pick up a good place or stay the earthquake. You have to look into TV for news. You should call the 066 up for instructions.
You have to hold on. If you fall, get up and carry on. You turn on your cell phone. You have to hurry up to escape from your house if the earthquake is strong.
You are on chair, you have to stand up and leave. Watch out, the blocks are foul. You should stick together with your family.
If the alarm goes off, you should leave from the city. Look up at the other person. When you're finished, you have to look out. When the earthquake is finished, you can come back from your house.